A family tradition that started in 1889 almost didn't happen this year. Back-to-back hurricanes hit Bradenton Beach and destroyed the popular Fudge Factory candy shop on Bridge Street. Tonight, News Channel 8 photojournalist Jamie Chickalease shows us how they were able to make repairs just in time for the candy cane show.
The hurricane came 4 foot of water. The whole entire store was underwater. All the merchandise, the whole entire store went underwater. I've been working 7 days a week, 15-hour days, just to be open by the deadline.
But this was a close one because the street, 127 years altogether, almost got broke with the hurricane. And Ben's place was devastated.
It was so sad to see the way that it really took out the island, but to see them really rebuild and repair has just given renewed hope to everybody, and we're so excited that they're back in action.
I had to be open in time for the candy cane show, so at least to have some happiness in life, and just come watch the candy cane, be part of the smell, the aroma of the peppermint.
We cook the raw ingredients here on our copper kettle. We pour them out on our original marble table that's right here. They'll turn one piece red, they'll turn another piece green with some food coloring. While I'm over here taking the big blob, which weighs about 40 pounds, and I'll take it over to this hook, and that's where I'll stretch it. Right now, we're doing the traditional candy cane stretching. You bring it over here, where you can work with it like this. A lot of the things aren't by temperature, they're by experience. Now you can see this is going from dark caramel to light. We're gonna put all 3 colors together, and then you're gonna see some magic. Then we take it over here to our heated table, and we start twisting, pulling, rolling, cutting, rolling, and hooking.
How's it taste?
Perfect. They've been waiting all year for this. We actually came from upstate New York all the way down here just for this.
To have a tradition that's has a streak that's unbroken, you try hard not to let anything break it.
I can't look away. No. That's incredible. It's like Santa's workshop with candy. Well, you can watch the candy canes being made every Friday and Saturday until Christmas, with shows starting at 6 p.m. at the Fudge Factory on Bridge Street in Bradenton Beach.
I found something to do with Gracie.
Exactly.
Yeah, this is going to be great.
You can take anybody. This is for children of all ages. I mean,
even for me, I'm sitting there, I'm like, wow, that's
and you kind of want a candy cane when you're
now
all done.
Now I'm hungry, that's for sure.